Hi, welcome back. If you are finding my YouTube valuable, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm Dr. Patty Ford and I own Imagine Wellness. It is a coaching practice. I'm located in Southern California in a town called Redlands. I see clients nationwide, worldwide. If you're wanting to heal and feel and deal your mind and your body because you matter and you're really tired of the chronic dieting. Today, I just want to give you some self-care tips and think about the conversations that you have with people. Conversations are really important. It's how it connects us. Connection fuels our heart. It fuels our joy. And so I want you to think about, what are the conversations I've had in the last week? And if you've struggled with any sort of body image, I want you to think about, what are some of the conversations that I've enjoyed that have not involved my body, have not involved dieting, or have not involved weight loss? And what other types of conversations can nourish me? What other types of conversations do you want to engage in where you can share about yourself? Or maybe you can connect with somebody else. What types of conversations do you want to have where you want to know about other people? So people love talking about their stories. And so what questions can you ask to get to know people better? And just think about, what are some instances, if you can reflect, that I've really, really felt valued and seen? And what were those conversations like? What did I really, really enjoy about that moment? And go connect with others outside of body or diet. Hope this was helpful.